Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So, guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. Remember, we actually make this particular asset for like 3 days, trading on a sell, on a downtrend. We started from somewhere here, okay, and we traded it to the very end of the trend. The trend came to an end at this point, okay, and of course right from there it gave us a buy signal, switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, and of course this is an opportunity for us to buy more, just the way we are seeing it. And of course it is buying, okay, even though it is ranging around there at the moment, but once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more, okay, so we should take note of that, okay. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is GainX 999. GainX 999 actually started an uptrend right from here. You can see it switching from a downtrend into an uptrend at the support region, a major support region, and it gave us a buy signal. So if you had come in at that point, you should be in real profit right now. Okay, got to this resistance, it was unable to break out from there. So I had a major pullback. Okay, but right now it is done with the pullback and it's trying to go back on uptrend again. And of course, we just needed to break out above this. Once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. Okay, we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, once it breaks out above that. Okay, so this is going to be more buying than selling also. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is Paynex 1200. Okay, and of course, this actually got to this support region and wasn't able to break out from there, so it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend and gave us more buying opportunity. Broke out above this resistance zone, and of course, as you can see, it is still buying. If it should break out above the next resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, and of course for Paynex 999, this had been on downtrend right from this resistance region, and of course it got to an end at this particular point. Okay, so where it switched into an uptrend, but it didn't go more than this. Okay, came to an end at this spot, okay, and of course right from there it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it has been selling since then, even though it has been playing around this region for a while. Okay, if it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on uptrend. So for now, this is still selling until it is unable to break out below that support region. Now let's move on to FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. Okay, this actually started an uptrend right from here, but when it got to this region, it has been moving sideways. Okay, moving between the upper part of the channel and the lower part of the channel. It has not been really it has not been a good, a smooth trading opportunity, okay, or a smooth trading movement. Okay, so but it has been moving in between this channel. Okay, but if it should break out above this, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.